This is CleverCloud. It's just like Google Drive. So you can open pictures, open PDFs, and we can upload new files. And so the concept behind CleverCloud is that you can search with a smart search. So you can do queries for your documents. So for example, medication for flu, and it will look at the content of the file instead of just the file names. So for example, here we get a medicine.pdf, and the first return picture is actually a picture of pills because that's the one with the meaning that most aligns with the query. And for example, we can look up cute animals, and even though the first one has name backyard.jpg, it's actually a picture of a dog, and so you can see it looks at the content of the file instead of just the file titles. And we can also draw a query. So for example, here I'm drawing a cat, and so we use a multimodal model to generate vector embeddings for all the files and also the queries, and then we're using a vector database to return which one have the closest. So yeah, here you can see it return the cat first, and then the moon because it also kind of looked like a cartoon. And so we can visualize the points in 3D because they're all indexed as vectors. So each of these points is a file reduced down to 3D. And this 3D is a further application could be to cluster the files, for example. And we also added, using the Gemini API, a summarize feature for PDFs. So just by clicking this button, you can get a full summary of a PDF. And that's also actually used to index the files and make the description better.